Hi, boys and girls. So, this recording is going to explain what you will be working on for Wednesday and Thursday this week. So, Monday and Tuesday, you boys and girls worked on your character and what the character physically looked like. Today, Wednesday, and Thursday, you boys and girls will discuss what the character is like on the inside or their personality. So again, you're using the same character the whole week. Today, what you're going to do for Wednesday is you will be thinking of at least 6 character traits that describe your character. And I want everyone to understand, boys and girls, that a character can be very mean in the beginning and then become very nice at the end. And that's okay. You can have that in this writing here. So, in a complete sentence, please describe the character by using character traits here. I gave you boys and girls a sheet here that has all the types of character traits. The ones that are in gray, I'd like you to think of something, another word besides the words in gray. So, for example, if you say your character is nice, I want you to think of a different word or a synonym for nice. So you can say maybe the character is likable or kind or sweet. But please try to think of something different besides the words in gray. What you're going to do, again, this is for Wednesday, is you're just going to write in a complete sentence, describe the character by using a character trait. Miss Laspiza was describing the character Jeremy Ross from Enemy Pie. And what I'm going to say Jeremy Ross is I'm going to say that Jeremy Ross he was mean, but instead of saying mean, boys and girls, I'm going to say that Jeremy Ross is insensitive. So in a complete sentence, I'll say here, in the book, Enemy Pie, Jeremy Ross is insensitive, period. That's it. That's all I need you to do. So that is for Wednesday. And again, you're thinking of 6 character traits in a complete sentence. Now, Miss Laspiza always says some word to support your answer or reasons why or your opinion. Does anybody remember what that word was? I'll give you a hint. It begins with an E. Good. I heard somebody say it. Evidence. On Thursday, you boys and girls will be picking 2 character traits from Wednesday and then writing them down below here. And I have the word here, insensitive. And what I want you to do is go back into your book and find evidence from the book that proves your character trait you picked. So I'm going to go back to the beginning of Enemy Pie, and I'm going to show you, boys and girls, where I think that Jeremy Ross was insensitive or mean. Let's listen in.
It was all good until Jeremy Ross moved into the neighborhood, right next door to my best friend Stanley. I did not like Jeremy Ross. He laughed at me when he struck me out in a baseball game. He had a party on his trampoline, and I wasn't even invited. But my best friend Stanley was.
So I just reread, and heard that Jeremy Ross was mean or insensitive to the main character here because he laughed at me when he struck me out at the baseball game. Oh, that's a great example, or that E word, evidence. Very good. So now I'm going to go and write in a complete sentence here my evidence that proves that Jeremy Ross or your main character is mean. So I said here, Jeremy Ross is insensitive because in the book Enemy Pie, Jeremy Ross laughs at the main character when he strikes out in the baseball game. So there's my evidence to prove it. This is all I want you to do for Thursday, boys and girls. So again, on Wednesday and Thursday, you boys and girls will be discussing their personality of your character. Just as a friendly reminder, boys and girls, please try to stay away from the words like nice, mean. I want you to think of all those different words that you have to choose. And when you're all done, make sure you go back and check for capital letter punctuation, and please make sure all of your answers are in a complete sentence. You boys and girls know that Miss Laspiza likes everything answered in a complete sentence. Until then, I'll talk to everyone soon, and I will Zoom with everyone on Tuesdays at 11:30 a.m. Can't wait to see you then. Bye.